Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farkhanda and today I'm making Thai mango salad. Mangoes are now available all year round from Mexico, China, California, so it's easy to make and it can be used as a starter or as a side dish. To make this salad, we will need 2 unripe mangoes, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, 1 small red onion or half of a large, 1 red bell pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter cup of cashews or peanuts, handful of chopped green coriander, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and if you wish you can add 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil that gives an extra flavor to it. We will start by peeling the mangoes and then cutting them into thin strips. I scored the mango into long strips and then shaved the fine strips off. These mangoes are a little bit more riper than I needed them, so make sure that the mangoes are firm and unripe. We will do the same with the other mango. We will cut the red bell pepper into thin strips as well. The red bell pepper and the yellow mango gives this salad a beautiful vibrant color. You can use orange or yellow bell peppers as well. Next, we are going to cut the onion into very thin slices. I have 1 large onion, so I'm going to take half of it. If it's a small one, you can use a whole. To make the dressing, I'm going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. But if you have, use limes instead because they go very well with this salad. I'm using 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice in this salad because the mangoes are a little bit on the sweeter side. We will add 2 tablespoons of the soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of the fish sauce. The fish sauce has a very strong flavor, so we have to be very careful when adding it. Add the sugar and the chili flakes to it and mix it well. If you're using sesame seed oil, now is the time to add it. You can increase or decrease the amount of chili flakes as per your taste. Mix the dressing until the sugar has been dissolved. In a large bowl, add the mangoes, the red peppers, and the onions. While adding the onions, make sure that all the layers are separate. Add the fresh coriander and the dressing. Toss the salad and then let it rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Before serving, I'm going to add the cashew nuts. If you're using peanuts, this is the time that they will go in as well. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!